Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Before-After Slider widget to your Elementor website. Before-After Slider widgets are great for showing comparisons visually, making it easy for visitors to see differences before and after in a clear and interactive way. So, let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your Elementor website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Before-After Slider and open the widget. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the layout is selected, the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can upload before and after images. You can also change their labels and enable or disable them. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can select different templates. In the Appearance tab, you can change the handle color, slider thickness, width, and height. Under Behavior, you can enable or disable vertical orientation, hover mode, and smooth transition. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy that code and go to your Elementor site editor. Now add an HTML block, paste the code inside it, and publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.